How to use My ASUS Diagnostics function. My ASUS is the application which integrates ASUS PC software service and provides you easy access to all the ASUS software features. For example, maintain or update your system by live update. Diagnose any problems on your PC and provide suggested solutions. Quickly contact ASUS for after-sales customer service. Link to My ASUS is the integration feature for cross-devices, and available between the PC and mobile devices. Customization allows you to set up your PC with the customizable options. You can also regularly check ASUS promotion in My ASUS to acquire popular apps and exclusive offers. How to launch My ASUS on my PC. Please click the search bar at the bottom left of the desktop. Key in My ASUS and press enter. System diagnosis in My ASUS. My ASUS system diagnosis lists 7 common problem scenarios on PC devices, and one click for the overall hardware check feature. Each scenario comes with a brief description and allows you to quickly find the problems that occurred and select the required checkup. System diagnosis. Here we demonstrate with hardware diagnostics. Open the toolbar on the left. Select Customer Support. Check All. And click Checkup. Wait for a while when My ASUS is diagnosing the hardware. After the diagnosis completes, click Result to see the diagnostic results. The test result this time is normal. Slow system diagnostics. Open the toolbar on the left, select Customer Support, and click Checkup under the slow system icon. Now, My ASUS is analyzing and diagnosing memory, hard disk drive, and application usage. Please wait until the process completes. Click Result to review the diagnosis result. You can find that the free, available capacity of hard disk is not enough. It's recommended to perform disk cleanup of Windows, then you can check the hard disk space. In addition to discovering the problems, My ASUS also provides suggested solutions. 4 common features are below the diagnosis results. For example, the System Reset button. System Reset tutorial contains the detailed text and video content, and it will guide you to complete the system restoration. Also, there is a button for creating a recovery drive. If you still cannot solve the problem, an access to our customer service is also provided. Inquire the repair status, and look for the service locations nearby. Why can't I find the system diagnosis function after I installed My ASUS? For some old notebook models, they don't support the complete My ASUS features. Please check ASUS System Control Interface version from the System Devices in Device Manager. If you find ASUS System Control Interface is V2 and above, you can use the complete My ASUS diagnostic features. Thank you for watching and welcome to subscribe our ASUS support channel. We are happy to provide you some useful information.